How can I upload bills of materials at scale into Earthster? That's a question we get very often from you, and I want to give you a sneak peek into a new feature that will help you do that even faster. Let's take for this case that I'm in the manufacturer of ballpoint pens, and I'm going to have a little bit of background data in different states so that you see how it works. So let's say I've modeled some of my manufacturing processes or the intermediate parts like the ink reservoir or the tip ball that we use in the pens. And then I extract from my ERP a bill of material with this shape. So for each product, we're going to have a list of their inputs. So a list of the materials or manufacturing processes that go into making it. And you'll see that in the first column, we have the name of the product, right? So it's going to create a new cycle with that name. And then we have a list of those components. And for each one of them, how much of the components we're going to have. We're also including the location of those components because it's not the same to be injecting polypropylene in France or in the United States, right? So you want to be able to pick the specific data that will best represent your model. And finally, notes for documentation. So I'm going to go here and click on Generate Cycles from File. And if I upload the information, it's going to first do a test and it's going to tell me what it's about to do, right? Because this could potentially create thousands of cycles, so we don't want to rush into it. It's going to create 10 of them, and it tells me that it's missing some mappings, right? So there's things that it doesn't recognize, and I can even click to read more, and look, it doesn't know what we mean with polypropylene case, or electricity assembly, or polystyrene case, right? So we have these cases, it doesn't know what we mean with them, so we're going to tell it to create the mappings. And it takes us straight away to the mappings page. Now, if I go and look at the map, there were others that I had already mapped, and it's already considered those. Same as the ones that I already had in the workspace, it's considered those. But these three are new. So now I could select something, or I could just go away, model these if I want to have my own model of it and come back here later to complete the process. But now I'm going to go here. Let's say this is injected because in this case, I have a nice process for it. And for polypropylene as well, injected. We could also take the material, but like this, we're counting also for the process, right? So it depends on how you build the materials is built. And electricity, it's selecting based on the geography of France. But we want to say that it's medium voltage. We want to help it a little bit to find the right information, and it's here. Now we have everything mapped. Let's tell it to go for the process again. And remember, this is something that could be on the same moment. Now it is, but it could be several days apart. I'm going to upload the information again, and this time it tells me it's ready to go. We're going to create 10 different cycles. So I let it proceed. It's now creating those 10 cycles, creating every single process, doing everything it needs to do so that we have 10 full LCAs out of this. And if now I click accept, here I am back in my workspace, but now I have LCAs for each one of those based on the data that I've given it. And I can also say, for example, I want to compare the 4-color mini with the 4-color original and with the crystal. I told ChatGPT to help me generate based on a particular brand. And I can go here, I can go here and compare them. And here I go. I have a comparison of 3 different models just out of data that I've uploaded in bulk. So eager to hear how you guys take this to the next level and use it. You don't have to use it to upload things once, but you can use it in multiple steps to upload your components, then your products, then your customer cases, offers. It's up to you. So eager to hear how you use it. And as usual, feel free to contact us in social media and on YouTube or on our website, and eager to talk to you. So let's keep doing LCA awesome.